Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So on this lecture here, we're gonna see if we can add the tags using the helper methods that we created in the last lecture. So make sure that you watch the last lecture. I think this is lecture 27, I believe, all right? So make sure that you'll go to 26. This is lecture actually 28, so you should be going to 27 to check this out, if anything. But anyway, let's go ahead on the create contact function here on this route. Let's go right below this line here where we get the contact and add it. Let's also get the tag names here, just like that, right? Now, let me get this information out from the form. Let me get this data out. So let's call this tags raw, just like that. And I'm gonna get this from the request form. And we call this tags in the other side, right? And we're just gonna say or empty. Simple as that. All right, let's go down, and this is where we're gonna do our magic here. Okay, so let's go ahead and call this tag names. And the first helper method that I'm gonna use is called parse tags. And I'm going to pass in the tags raw, all right? If anything, we're gonna pass all the strings in there, and that's gonna normalize it. And then here, what I wanna do is I wanna add it to my contact, right? Since we have a relationship called contacts, right? Then, not a relationship called tags, right? Then we can add this to that contact. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do this list comprehension in Python. So we're gonna use the get or create tag here, right? We're gonna pass in the, let me just come back here. We're gonna get, we're gonna call it M for the tag. Let me see, as a matter of fact, hold on. Yeah, this is going to be for the tags. All right, so for M in tag names, all right. I was just checking to see if I could do something a little bit different here. All right, yeah, we should be good here because then we have session commit here. So yeah, we're good to go here. Yeah, we're looping through all the tag names. We're getting that tag out, right? And then we are creating, putting that inside this relationship here. Yeah. We should be good. Let's check this out. So let's go here. Let's create a contact. I'm going to call this, I don't think I even have a contact for Jose here. So Gmail, and then we'll do 845. Let's just do 888 right there. And let's just put a tag testing here. And let's just do create. All right. And let's look for Jose. So right now, we're not displaying the tags or anything here. We're going to do that in the next lectures. But we can verify very easily if we have tags available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the database real quick. And I'm not saying tags available. I mean tags inside the database, right? Tags in the database, in the table. So I'm going to click on that. I am using SQLite Viewer as an extension for VS Code, just for your information. So you can see, well, this is the tag here. So if I click here, you can see the tag right here. All right. Has an ID of 1 and it says testing. Really cool stuff, right? All right. So yeah, this is actually working really nicely. And I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Take care.